Holy crap. Yeah, because this stuff will eventually. Wow, guys. I'm going to pull up. Look, are we going to use the same suspension parts that's bolted to the? I have no idea. Look at the struts. Is this Chrysler problem too? Here's the vapor canister. And guys, he's not just using any old rust penetration. We're using this. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Breaks loose faster. Penetrating canister. So y'all wouldn't understand. Don't worry. Wow. All right, guys, I'm headed back to the back again. You see how my buddy's doing on this rusted up. I don't know what this is. I think this is an Avenger. Oh, whoa! What the? Okay. We got it out. Control arms. You gonna reuse the control arms?
Yeah, they already been replaced before.
Oh, they have? Who put that in like that? They put that in knowing the frame was bad?
That ain't that new.
Whoa. Oh, good thing you got a bag of new.
Yeah, it came on the whole thing new. That one broke out, so I gotta get that out.
Whoa.
Come out, so it look like
What? Oh. Oh no, that broke. How you gonna get that out? Well, it left you a long enough stud to twist it out on it. Pair of vice grips should, guys, this is some risky stuff no matter how you look at it. He finally got the front cradle out, subframe. This thing can go by different names, guys, so. Wow. You put that blaster stuff on it? You need like a stud remover. Whoa. Vice grips won't do it?
I haven't tried that, JT. I'm just not trying it now. I just pulled it now.
How it broke coming off when you grab?
It was already broke off.
Oh, it was already broke? Holy crap. Guys, that is very important. That's part of the frame. Without that, you're nothing. You're nobody. Okay? I am still amazed at this. I know he got the rear done, right? So, guys, I will be totally reading this. I got to read this all over, guys, because I don't have any words right now. I just know what's being done. What I need to know is why it's being done and why they're not, in particular, just buying the car back. If they want to take responsibility for it, I don't know. But I want to find out. But let's go look at this subframe again. That's the new one right there. Wow. Look at this. Oh, he said those new control arms, so they're going to reuse those. So, the rack and pinion. Think about this, guys. The rack and pinion was bolted right here. This is 2 rack and pinion mounting. Imagine if oh my goodness. Imagine if something had happened. You talk about a major lawsuit. There you can see where he have the blaster. Let me see. There it is, guys. That's what you need. They said it's the best. Now, Mopar makes some stuff called rust penetration. But supposedly this the best there is. Powerful rust penetration catalyst. Star meter line, I don't know. Alright, guys. Let's go over to the other side, 'cause it looks like he's gonna be a while. Fuck out of here, man. This ain't no damn rap video, motherfucker.